Yes, I have a number of examples for that. So we, for example, worked with a global organization that was growing over many years through acquisitions of other companies, which means they had by now a gigantic IT landscape of all of their initial systems, all of those different IT systems they acquired, different processes spanning over partial sets of those systems, processes they already had partially integrated. And they realized they completely lost track of that entire complexity. So whenever they had to upgrade systems, migrate systems, or when they wanted to consolidate systems, they had to get in external consultants to make an assessment of those systems, something that took easily weeks to months. And there was always a one-time effort for that specific change. And the next time, systems already had changed again, so someone had to make that same assessment again. And what we enabled through the implementation of the enterprise information architecture is that they had that at hand as information, mapping really all the way from what's the business impact of such a change to what is the IT impact, and allowing their people to make such assessments in seconds or minutes, or even simulate different scenarios on top of that data. Another example was in the product lifecycle management space, where there was really a very specific problem in the product lifecycle management where the team wanted to have more information to make better products. Specifically, they were interested in maintenance reports and understanding their supply chain and risks in the supply chain. And getting access to that data globally from each location where this was treated different was really tough. And then also to make sense of that data. So implementing an enterprise information architecture helped them to locally capture context and data correctly, map it all up together, and then create a central view of that, helping them to ultimately build better products.